Have you ever wondered why your eyesight seems to be fading as you age? It's a frustrating reality many face, and the search for a solution can feel overwhelming. You might have tried various DIY remedies or over-the-counter options, but they often provide little to no relief. The truth is, these quick fixes can leave you disappointed and still struggling with your vision. Enter iGenics, a new supplement that focuses on supporting eye health in a unique way. Formulated with a blend of natural ingredients, iGenics aims to nourish your eyes from the inside out, promoting clarity and comfort. What sets it apart is its targeted approach to eye support, combining powerful antioxidants and essential nutrients. In clinical studies, key ingredients like lutein and zeaxanthin have shown promising results in protecting